Today I'm going to be making slow cooker old-fashioned rice pudding, and in my slow cooker I've sprayed it with cooking spray. I'm going to add half a cup of arborio rice, and what I did is I lightly rinsed that rice, half a cup of sugar, and 4 cups of whole milk, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir everything together. I have the slow cooker set to low for 4 hours, and every hour I'm going to stir these ingredients. So give it a good stir. Then I'm going to cover it, and I'll see you back in a few hours. It's been 4 hours for the rice pudding in the slow cooker. I just gave it a quick stir before I started filming. It's a little thick. What we're going to do is add 3 egg yolks to this. So I have 3 yolks. I'm going to whisk them up and then add some of this hot rice pudding to it to temper it. Alright, so I just whisked up my egg yolks, and I'm going to add in a little bit of the hot rice pudding. And what I want to do is just mix this together. So now I want to add this into the pot and mix it all together. I'm just going to add in a little bit of milk to help thin this out. Probably about a cup worth. Just really thickened on me. Bit more. All right, let's add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to stir everything together, and then I'm just going to let this cook for 15 minutes to possibly half an hour. Just going to add in about a teaspoon of butter. The rice pudding is finished. I gave it a good stir, and you can add a little more cinnamon or even some nutmeg to taste if you'd like, and also some whipped cream. You can serve this hot or cold. Here's the finished product. Looks real yummy. Enjoy, everyone. See you next time. You can add whipped cream if you like.